Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So finally Oppo launched their Find X2 series in this 2020. Today they launched two smartphones in the Find X2, the Find X2 and the Find X2 Pro with a 120Hz screen and 5G, and the Pro version has amazing periscope camera. After a small delay following the MWC cancellation, Oppo Find X2 and the Oppo Find X2 Pro are finally official. These two devices bring impressive 120Hz screens, display rate and a Snapdragon 865 chipset with a 5G modem and the fastest charging on the market, with the Pro version adding a hugely impressive camera setup to the maximum resolution. The two phones share the same 10-bit 6.7-inch AMOLED panel of a QHD plus resolution that with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's come with a 240Hz touch sampling, minimize input lag, and the 100% coverage of the DCI P3 color specs. Unsurprisingly, they also both come with the ColorOS 7.1 based on the Android 10. First of all, we're talking about the non-Pro Oppo Find X2. The Snapdragon 865 is coupled with the 12GB DDR5 RAM and the 256GB with UFS 3.0 storage, but you get no memory card slot. The Oppo equipped with the Find X2 with a triple shooter on the backside, ideally by the new 48MP 1x43 Sony IMX586 sensor with the f1.7 lens. It not only has the largest pixel of any quad bias sensor to date, 1.12 but also Sony new 2x2 OCLT of focusing performance that should out to even dual pixel sensor. Then there is 12MP ultra wide, the second camera angle unit, which Oppo refer to an ultra wide angle video camera. It has a Sony IMX708 sensor, 1.4 pixel size and the 16:9 aspect ratio behind an f2.0 6p lens. The aspect matches that of the record video, which allow the better performance for the stabilization. Debit ultra steady video pro mode. Finally, there is the 13MP telephoto camera with a 5x hybrid zoom. It's unclear how much of that is achieved through optical magnification, but it's likely in the 2x 3x range. All cameras support ultra night mode, so this is a great news because ultra night mode is really awesome. The Find X2 loses the board slider design of the Find X, so its front snapper is nested instead a punch hole on the screen. It has a 32MP Sony IMX616 quad sensor and f2.4 aperture. The Find X2 has a 4200 mAh power cell that supports 65W super VOOC 2.0 flash charge. Other connectivity spec include all the Wi-Fi option and the Bluetooth 5.1, but there is not a 3.5mm audio jack. The Find X2 arrive in two different finishes, ocean glass and the black ceramic. The first one adds a water-like ripple pattern under the panel of what is the otherwise a standard glass sandwich. The other has a smooth ceramic finish on the part of the back and texture ceramic on other for the rather cool final result. The price of this Find X2 has a Euro 999 and will arrive in early in the May. Now talking about the Oppo Find X2 Pro version. The Find X2 Pro is the flagship proper, coming with even more capable camera setup, 512GB UFS storage, RAM is the 12GB and two exclusive finish of its own. The main 48MP sensor is shared with the regular Find X2, but the Pro ultra wide shooter employ a 48MP Sony IMX 586 1x2 quad BR sensor behind f2.0. Not only is this one of the largest sensor behind an ultra wide camera, but it also offers autofocus and macro mode from 3cm. The 13MP telephoto camera has a 1x3.4 sensor behind f3.0 periscope lens that offer 5x optical magnification and 10x hybrid zoom and up to 60x digital zoom. So that is amazing. This is the second generation Oppo periscope camera after the Oppo Reno 10x zoom last year. The selfie shooter is the same as the Find X non-Pro, 32MP with f2.4 aperture and 5p lens. The Oppo magneted to cream slightly bigger battery inside the Find X2 Pro 4260 mAh, still supporting the 65-watt Super VOOC 2.0 flash charger technology. Two more feature exclusive to the Pro version are IP68 water and dust resistant, 2x only achieved IP54, and the specially X-axis motor for superior haptic feedback. The Oppo Find X2 Pro will come in vegan leather orange with a unique soft touch material that rather successfully mimics real leather, and a black ceramic finish. Unlike the regular X2, this one is all textured, omitting the smooth part. The price of the phone, the Oppo Find X2 Pro, available in Euro 1199 and will arrive in early next month, May. So guys, what do you think about this smartphone? These Oppo Find X2 series, especially the Oppo Find X2 Pro specs is similar to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but let me know your thought in the comment section. Let me know your opinion about this series, the Oppo Find X2 and the Oppo Find X2 Pro smartphone. Will this smartphone beat the Galaxy S20 Ultra or not? Let me know your thought in the comment section. And in upcoming days, I will make the Oppo Find X2 Pro 60x digital zoom video. So make sure to subscribe and enable the bell icon for latest video notification. And like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.